Hello friends, and welcome to my video tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hack a Wi-Fi with WPA security enabled. For this you need a Android 6.0 version or later, because if you have a lower version than that, then you have to root your phone for that. So if you don't want to root your phone, then just get yourself a latest Android operating system. And moreover, we need a 4G handset mobile phone for this trick to work. Just download a app named WPS WPA Wi-Fi Tester on Play Store. It is a free application and the link is given below in the description for you to download. So as we can see here, we have a bunch of options over here: BMW and Redmi 4 in our Wi-Fi list. If we try to connect this BMW, which is my Wi-Fi network, it asks for a password, but unfortunately we have lost the password or any other reason. So what we can do is open this WPS WPA Tester app, and it will ask for permission to use the Wi-Fi. So just click on OK, and as we can see, there are a bunch of options here. Some are in red and some are in green. The red ones are which this app is not able to hack, and the green is which can be hacked using this app. And moreover, there are yellow signs also which indicate that the app is not sure whether it can hack that Wi-Fi or not. But green means the app can surely hack it. So as we can see, this BMW named Wi-Fi is hackable. Just click on this green logo. It will ask for your authority over it. Just click on next to proceed. Now scroll down, and as you can see, a pin option named here. Connect automatically with try all pins, the first option. You have to just click on it. It will ask for to open your Wi-Fi, and it will try to connect without routing process. Now after it, if it is hacked, it will show you success prompt. Just click on OK. As we can see now, we are connected to the BMW because we have hacked it. Automatically we have connected. See, obtaining IP address and then connected. But what we have when we have to connect this Wi-Fi to our computer, then in that case we need the password, because this application is not available for laptops and computers. So for that reason, you can just open the tab, any tab, a new tab in your web browser, and type this 198.162, sorry 192.168.1.1, and just it will open a login page. This is the login page from the Wi-Fi which you are accessing it. So you need to notice one thing, that you have to access this website through the Wi-Fi you are connected. Means that we cannot access this website from our mobile data. We need to use the BMW Wi-Fi which we have hacked. So in the username, just type admin, all in lowercase, and in the password also type admin, and then login. Now the Wi-Fi setup page has logged us in. So now we have to find a section named wireless. So here, as we can see, there is a section over here named wireless info. Click on this section. Sorry. We need quick network settings. Wireless, yeah. See, we have opened the wireless tab, and under this we need to see for an option named wireless security. Click on that option and it will give you a label pre-shared key, as we can see here. In front of that is the Wi-Fi password. This is the Wi-Fi password we are talking about, guys. So you can just use this password to log in any other device to that Wi-Fi. So hope you like this video and enjoy. Like, subscribe and share if you like the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any other video, you are the first one to get it. Thank you, guys.